Hello, in this video we'll see how we can customize the look of the items on our timeline using the Style Pane, so you can make unique timelines to impress your audience. But first, what is the Style Pane and what does it do? Well, the Style Pane is a menu that helps you customize the way each individual element of your timeline looks. Depending on the type of item you select, you can change colors, shapes, sizes, the positions of text elements, their fonts, and so much more. What it cannot do, however, is change the layout of your timeline. For that, you need to use the timeline view. Look for the dedicated video from this series if you want to learn more about that. The Style Pane is an incredibly powerful tool that you can use to make your timelines look and feel on brand. So let's take it for a spin. If you don't see the Style Pane on your screen, just go to the Office Timeline ribbon and make sure the Style Pane is enabled. The Style Pane itself should be visible in the right part of the PowerPoint interface, but if you don't have any item selected, it will appear empty. Let's fix that by selecting one of our tasks. Wow, look at all these options! Everything is really customizable, but you definitely don't need to use all the buttons. Let's start with something simple. Let's change the color and shape of our task. That looks nice. If you like that look, you can quickly apply it to all your tasks by clicking Apply to All and selecting which of the properties we want to copy over to all the other tasks. Now let's go to the date and title rollouts as well and change their positions. And finally, use Apply to All for these as well. There, nice and easy. We can do this to our milestones as well. Drag select some of them, then change the color and the shape. Now select the other ones and do something similar. We can even customize the timescale itself. Select it, then change its color and the color of the font. These were all simple customizations, so you could get a general idea. Now go ahead and play around with all the various options you have at your disposal until you find a timeline look that works for you. Remember that if you need any extra tips and tricks, we have a lot of support articles and videos on our website. And once you're done experimenting with the new looks, come back to this Office Timeline Fundamentals series to see how you can get even quicker at customizing your timelines.